Hello, Assalamualaikum friends! How are you all doing? And welcome back to my YouTube channel, Umme-Hani Vlogs. And this is me, Umme-Hani Kamran. I hope that everyone is doing great. And today we're gonna be discussing something interesting, not so advanced and all, but basic, basic English stuff and all. So let me actually tell what we're doing today. Are gonna be discussing some basic English stuff like the uses of have, do, and there are more examples like these. And it's gonna be a chill vlog. I'll be showing you my stuff and all, how my days, how my days you like going today or how it usually goes. I'm also working on projects and all. I'm almost done with all my subjects projects, thank goodness. So yes, and schoolwork and all. And yeah, so let's discuss the topic first and then the chill vibes and all. We're gonna be discussing common English collocations. Now, what are those? Words that naturally, go together in English. Like you can't just mix randomly. Now, make a decision. That's an example, and that is correct. Do a decision? Yeah, no, that is so wrong. No, just no. So first of all, we have collocations. Oh my gosh. Have a drink something, have a bath, wash yourself, have a good time, enjoy yourself, have rest, just relax, have lunch, eat lunch. Have is used for experiences and activities. So now we have the take collocations. Take a break means to stop working and take a rest. Take a look means check something. Take an exam, like do exam ready. Take a seat means sit down, and take a chance means try something risky. Now take means actions you choose to do, like decisions or actions that you're choosing to do or to complete. Depends on you. We have the do collocation, do homework, like complete schoolwork, do the cooking, like cook food, do the dishes, wash the dishes, doings, work, tasks, and responsibility. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Over here we have the make collocations. Make a decision, decide, make a mess, create dirt, make an effort, try hard, or make the bad, basically arrange your bad, make money, earn money. So basically, make means to like create something, to cause something. Now, when I say create something, it can be physical or maybe not physical. Yeah, we have co-collocations. Go home, return home, go bankrupt, lose all the money, go crazy, become mad or excited, go shopping, buying stuff now. Go abroad means travel to another country. So basically, it's a movement or a change of state. So it's very simple, very simple. We have come collocation here. Come to a decision means finally choose after thinking, or come to an end, or come close means finish or approach something. Come early, come last. Basically, that means arrive first or arrive at the end. Change or result. Result or final state. Okay, so we have gate and let me here. We got two collocations here. Now get ready, prepare yourself for something, and get lost. Become unable to find your way. So basically, it's become or receive. Although I not really add those receiving something to types of examples, but it's okay. Don't worry. I hope you understand so far. Yeah. Okay. Let me discuss the other one too. Let me know. Tell me, or let me think. Give me time to consider. Let me help you. I want to assist. Let me see. Allow me to look. Basically, permission or offering something. Yes, like asking permission to do something or offering someone something, help or food. Yeah, so whatever you are thinking of, like whatever you want to offer, it's your choice. Last but not least, we got one more here. Keep in touch, stay connected with friends, keep a secret, don't tell anyone, or keep the change, you can have the extra money, or keep quiet, please be silent, keep in mind, remember this important thing. Keep is to, continue something, continue or maintain something. Anyway, so it got, evening, and I had, this class, my English class, so I was taking it. We were doing argumentative essay about the cars, like should they be like banned because a lot of people are like getting breathing problems because of air pollution. So yes, me and my classmates, the students who are also in the class, we're working on that essay and discussing some things. So yes, and after the class, I decided to eat my dinner, and for dinner I ate burger. I totally forgot to record the video, like the clip and all. I the only thing which the only thing which I did was like take pictures, and the burger, by the way, was like really yummy and tasty. And then later on, there was this guy that came, and he had to like give something. He was like, oh, this was given to you and your family. I don't know. It's a friend of my mom, and she got me some gifts. Like yeah, like all those gifts are mine. Like Eid gift and birthday gift. That cup was like supposed to be given on my birthday, but since she was busy, she was not able to do that. So yes, she got me earrings and watch and a cup and bangles. And can we actually appreciate these boba earrings, bro? They are like so cute. And cup, bangles, watch, nails, earrings, and all, and rose petal earrings. So many earrings, and these ones are so big, bro. These are like those support earrings. So I was thinking to give these to my mom, bro. So guys, this was a simple vlog. I thought this would be a chill vlog, but no, this was a very stressful vlog. I have so much work these days. Project stuff is going on. I'm almost done with it, and I am so happy. Like, wow, I'm done, bro. Yeah, that's this thing. This whole entire thing is now over. And anyways, the whole entire English thing, it was very basic, stuff and all. And if you guys are curious to about idioms and proverbs or phrases, yeah, I've posted a lot of videos like these before. You can go check it out. You're gonna have to scroll a little bit down. So yes, and for today's video, this was it. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and also comment, and also follow me on Instagram. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So till then, guys, take care. Bye bye. Bye.